Hey Android fans, this is Eric from hollywoodfrodo.com with another Android app review. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Verizon FiOS mobile app. Right before I get to that, do want to remind you this review is sponsored in part by AndyTags.com. AndyTags is a great website for really cool NFC Android themed stickers and keychains, and just to find out all about NFC, which is probably on your phone, find out some really cool things you can do with it. So head over to AndyTags.com after the review and check that out. So the FiOS mobile app, if you have FiOS TV, it's a must-have. Now if you don't have FiOS TV, it's useless. You can pretty much stop watching this now. But if you have FiOS, or if FiOS is available in your area and you don't have it, you should get it because it's just way better than any other cable TV network out there. But the FiOS mobile app has grown leaps and bounds in the last really, I'd say 4 to 5 months. The remote control that you can use on your phone is excellent now. It was horrible in the beginning, but now it is great. It works just as well as using the actual remote. Also allows you, when you're away from home, to set up to record something on your home DVR. So let's hop on my phone. I'm going to show you the remote and the different features and how it works and why it's definitely a must-have if you have FiOS. Okay, so here we are on my phone on my home screen, and here's my little TV folder. So we're going to open that up, and you see the FiOS mobile app. So let's open that up. When you first open it, you get the Watch Now screen. This allows you to actually watch things on your phone or your tablet, which is kind of cool. I don't want to focus on that though, because I don't know, I'm not big on watching stuff on my phone or my tablet. That's what I have a TV for. So let's look at some of the other things you have. Besides Watch Now, you have My Library. So these are things that you've purchased. If you purchase movies, you know, like on demand nowadays, you can rent them or you can purchase them. You have My Bookmarks, which are channels that you might have bookmarked. Now here's what I want to really check out is DVR. You can look at your recorded, what shows you have recorded right now. So let's do that. And you'll see some of the shows that we have recorded. Believe, Modern Family, have 4 episodes of Believe, Revolution, Jim Henson's Creature Shop Challenge. So these are all things that are recorded that are on my DVR right now. If I press that menu button, if I wanted to, I could delete this right here from my phone. I could delete that, which is kind of cool. And you can select multiple recordings if you want to, in order to delete multiple things if you want to do that. Let's go back out of editing. Let's hit the other view. This is, you can filter or sort in different ways. I have it sorted by date. You could sort it in other ways, and you can also pick other DVRs if you have multiple DVRs in your home. We only have one at this moment. So schedule. So I could see, well, what's scheduled to record on my DVR? So I can bring that up. See Pawn Stars, and Vampire Diaries. Maybe there's, you know, I do that and I see there's something that I wanted to watch that's not on there right now. I'll show you in a minute. I could set that up. You can also look at your disk usage. Shows you how many, how full your DVR is. On demand. So you can check out on-demand stuff. Let's go to movies. And let's just pick a random movie, Ice Soldiers. You can preview it, you can bookmark it, you can buy it, or you can rent it. So all things you can do right here. We're going to follow now TV listings. This is awesome. This is where you can browse all the listings and you can find a show, like let's say Ellen DeGeneres show. I like her, she cracks me up. And let's say there's going to be some guest on there that I really wanted to see and I forgot to set it to record. Right here on my phone, I can press that and I can click record episode, and it's going to communicate with my DVR, program is scheduled. So I'm now Seth Rogen's going to be on there about neighbors, which looks like a funny movie to me. So right there, I just set that to record. And you can go through and you can go ahead in time and you can find whatever it is you're looking for. If you want to look for a specific show, you can search and find a specific show. So that's all right there. Then of course you do have settings, just your basic settings that you can change right here from the app. And then my FiOS, which is going to give you account information and things like that, which I actually don't necessarily think you guys all need to see, but it allows you to log into your account so you can see like your bills and things like that. And then the other part that I love, which is right up here at the top and has been there on every screen, is the remote. So you just hit that remote button and you get the remote. You'll see it mimics the look of the actual remote. Of course, because it's not as long, you just swipe over to get to the different keypads. But otherwise, it is set up exactly like that remote. So you can do fast forward, skip, everything, menu guide, all right there. Another thing that's great about it is if you're maybe you're searching for something that you know you want to record, you know it's coming on, instead of using the on-screen keyboard, you press keyboard and your Android keyboard comes up so you can type, which is a way easier way to enter like a movie name or actor's name than trying to do it through that stupid, you know, on-screen keyboard that you have to go over and over and over and press OK, then go to the next letter and press OK. Just allows you to do it all really quickly. But you have full control. I know I'm not showing you this with my TV, but I don't really think that's necessary because you know how a remote works, and the important thing is that this has all the buttons and mimics exactly what the remote looks like, which it didn't have when it first came out. The remote was not that great, but since they've updated it now, like this, it works awesome. Just a great way to control your TV, especially if the remote's not handy. You have your phone with you. There you go. So that's the remote. I will show you this real quick. Just this watch TV thing. So Cartoon Network, so you can record, you can watch here or watch it on TV. So I'm going to choose watch here. So if you have kids, this will probably be useful to avoid any copyright things. That's all I'm going to show. But yeah, you can see like if you had kids, then they could watch that cartoon on their tablet while you're watching something on TV. Or maybe your spouse isn't into sports, so you want to watch, there's something you want to watch, you can watch it on your phone or your tablet while your spouse is watching TV. But yeah, these are lots of different channels. They've added more recently that are available to watch and stream. Now these, I don't believe they've changed this. You have to be at home on your home FiOS Wi-Fi in order to be able to watch these channels. You can't watch them just anywhere you are. This just allows you to, besides watching FiOS on your TV, also watch it on your phone or your tablet while you're at home. So that's important to know. The other features though, such as setting up something to record, that you can use when you're away from home. When you're if you're on vacation and you forgot to set up to record something, you can do that away from home. And you can change the view to a list view if you want, and you can search. And then you do also have the little parental control button, so if you are a parent, that would be important to know. You can set up parental controls right here from this app. So anyway, that is the FiOS app. I wanted to show you real quick. As you can see in my scheduled, I now have the Ellen DeGeneres show, which I scheduled while I was doing this review. So it's now on there. So this is it. This is what it does. It's how it works. Really great app. If you have FiOS, definitely get this app. You won't regret it. That was the FiOS mobile app. As you can see, very handy app. Of course it's free. Not really, because you're if you have FiOS, you're probably paying an arm and a leg to have it, like we are, but well worth it, because they just provide a really great service, and the mobile app just enhances that. Great companion app to go with the service, to use the remote, also to be able to use the other features, to watch stuff on your phone or your tablet if you want to, and then to be able to set your DVR up to record and things like that when you're away. So definitely an app to have if you have FiOS cable at home. Anyway, that's it for this review. If you like this review, click that like button. If you know anyone who has FiOS and might not know about this, then feel free to share this review with them on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, all those fun ways. They're all down there. Hop over to my channel, check out all my other Android app reviews, also Tasker tutorials, NFC tutorials, dog product reviews, household product reviews, lots of good stuff over there. Subscribe to the channel, or just favorite this playlist if you want to keep up with other Android app reviews and check out all the videos I have there. Anyway, until next time, this is Eric, reminding you that your Android phone is only going to be as good as you make it.